Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2023 SHOT Show is sponsored by Hog Holsters. Save 10% on your Hog Holsters order by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose. Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2023 SHOT Show. And as I like to always kind of show you interesting things I see as I'm walking around through the show. And I met Bob here from Hayman Quality Safes, and they got some really nice safes because you always need a bigger safe, right? If you buy a gun safe, it's never going to be big enough. But they've got this one, which is not a huge safe, but I thought it had some really cool features that were really neat. This is, I'll let Bob tell you about it, but this is really cool, and I want to show it to you.
So what we've got here, this is our Minuteman. This is the first in-wall safe designed for long guns. Presents the long gun to you, barrel down, stock up, and you can see it here. So when the glass breaks, you don't have to open the door and figure out which gun. This is for the right two guns in the middle of the night. You've got solid steel construction, one-piece door, no welds, just bent steel. It screws from the inside out into your studs and down to the floor. The flange hides all your cuts so you can spend time shooting and not trying to fix your wall. And the flange also prevents you from pushing the safe from one room into the other because it's up against the studs. So it's 8 bolts securing it to the studs and floor, butted up against the studs, it's not coming out. When I close this door and my drive bolt is in the top, my door goes all the way to the bottom of the well. So even if they attack the hinge, you can't get the door out. This Minuteman is set up with the upgraded biometric lock. So all you need to do, rather than hit 6 buttons, just put your finger on it. It'll load itself. 2.5 seconds and the door you're in. In the middle of the night, every second counts, and at Hayman we give you a quality safe and you can protect your family.
Chuck Norris doesn't get frostbite. Chuck Norris bites frost. I just thought this was really cool because if you got kids, and I've got a grandkid now, so you have to make sure you protect your firearms from your kids and protect your kids from your firearms, but you also got to make sure you can get to it quick if you need it. So I like the idea of being able to have it's not very intrusive. You know, most people's wives are not going to like to have a big safe sitting in the corner of the bedroom.
Right.
You put that in the wall, and it absolutely gives you the ability not just to get a pistol, but to get a long gun, which is a way more effective defensive tool.
Yeah,
so.
And Brian, I'll tell you, in my home, mine goes right behind my bedroom door, so you don't have to see it. The kids are running around, the door's open. When my wife, if she hears the glass break, she closes the door, and the very first thing she sees is the safe so she can protect the house if I'm not home.
The other thing I thought was cool about it, as somebody who works in construction, you don't have to hire anybody to come install this, because you can cut, I'm sure you can get the measure of the box, cut your sheetrock between the studs, buy you a little $10 stud finder at Home Depot, and then you don't have to patch anything because you just slide right in.
Flange hides it all, yes sir.
It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's it. I just thought I would show you this. I thought it was pretty cool from Hayman Quality Safes, and this is the Minuteman. Bob, thanks for taking a minute.
My pleasure. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2023 SHOT Show. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.